So getting into the three-pack on Google is where every business wants to be. We can see the local pack in here, and these three businesses get the absolute majority of calls and inquiries and clients. So this is where every business owner would want for their business to be. And these three businesses in here got here with their Google My Business page, not their website, but their Google My Business page. So there is SEO for Google My Business that these businesses need to be doing in order to get there and stay there. Now, the three main aspects I would say for getting into the local pack, into the three pack on Google would be one, what you have on your page. Two, what others are talking about you, what mentions and content you have everywhere online. And three, what you are doing on a regular basis in order to get here and stay here. This is what I would be happy to help with. If you'd like to share your business URL with me, feel free to do so. Now I will show you a screenshot of the stats performance graph. And as we can see, this business has some very nice growth. And this is just after 3 months of starting their Google My Business SEO. So you can see the calls, they literally started with zeros and now they are getting dozens of calls every single day. This is what happens when you work on those three items, what you have on your page, what you have about your business everywhere else online, and what you are currently doing on your page. So I'd be happy to help with that if you need any help. Please feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching and talk soon.